All right, it's Sunday afternoon. Quick rundown on the weekend activities. Nothing. We didn't do anything. We crunked the compressor up. We didn't mount the spare. We didn't mount the toolbox. We didn't weld the welder down. We didn't do anything with that. We didn't do anything in there. We didn't move any scrap iron. We did buy another truck. It ran. We drove it here. It's got a hell of a whine in the rear end. It's leaking oil. Gear oil. It's leaking oil. It may leak gas. I don't think it leaks gas. It may leak antifreeze. I think it's leaking every fluid it could possibly leak, except for this puddle of water in the corner of the bed. It came with 3 slightly used spares. Minimal rust. More minimal rust. A nice redneck window regulator. Manual rear view mirror. AM radio. No gear shift knob. I don't know what that is. Removable breather. Nice aftermarket gauges. One key that does not come out. Okay, it does come out. But that's it. We're gonna run the numbers, check the rear end differential, and see if we need to have to just put a whole new rear end in it, or rebuild this one, or whatever. It's a beast. For anybody who was watching the other videos on the other truck and says, you need to get a heavier duty truck, we have a heavier duty truck. We'll be doing some build videos or whatever, rehab videos. Stay tuned. This is Mo Damn It, Tire Creek Ironworks out.